Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a side entry manual ramp and door. It's got the VMI North Star conversion. This door is easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I just slide the door open. It's got the wheelchair accessible ramp down here, and I've got a handle. It's super neat here. I grab the handle, I just walk backwards. It slides out. Super simple to do. 30-inch wide ramp, 800-pound weight capacity, 54.5 inches of room coming inside the van, and then 57.5 once you're inside the van. Carpets are nice and clean. The back seats are great. Got the cloth black back seats here, very clean. Got the removable front seats. So what you could potentially do is remove that seat, put a wheelchair up there. You could also put one back here, so if you want to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, you've got that option. We got the tie downs, pull tight tie downs in here with the seat belt. If you do want the upgraded Q strengths, we can throw those in at an additional charge to you. Talk to me about that. It's got your rear air controls back here. The headliner's in great shape. I did see this little vent here is broken, so I'm not trying to present this as a perfect van. If I see a little scar, for a 10, 11-year-old van, I'll let you know about it. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your auxiliary cord, the dual climate control, rear air. Got your plug-ins right here. Plugs for your electronics. So it's got the other sliding door here, so if you want to come in and use that sliding door to tie down the ramp or the wheelchair, you've got that option. And when you get everybody secure, come back out, check it out. Super simple to do. Just walk it back in. There's no bending down to the ground, no stooping. You just grab that ramp and slide it in, and you're ready to roll. It's got the tinted windows. It's got alloy wheels. This has 4 brand new tires on it. And when we got it in, the front 2 were Cooper tires. They're like brand new. And then the back were an off-brand. They were a little worn, so we put 2 brand new tires on the back as well. So tires on the front are darn near brand new. The back are 100% brand new. So tires won't be a problem for quite a while. Very clean van for a 2013. It's very well taken care of. I do see a small crack in the ground effect there. Now, if I didn't tell you about that, you'd probably never even notice it. But again, I want to represent this van honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm not trying to make you think it's brand new, but for a 2013, I rarely ever see anything cleaner than what this van is, inside and out. And what we always do, we show you the VIN number. I strongly suggest you get a video, not a picture, a video of this VIN number. And you say, why? Well, because that tag is very hard to duplicate. So that VIN number means this van is here with me. It's on the ground. I can tell you about scams all day, but I'm telling you what, you better get a VIN of that VIN number if you're going to buy sight unseen. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see 3 owners, no accidents or damage, 9 service records, last owned in nice salt rust-free Texas. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, whoever you do business with, find them online, look at the reviews and ratings, find us on eBay, 1,428 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's a pretty good rate right there. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, make sure they are a real company, make sure you're not getting scammed. Find us on Google. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. And I hear people all the time, they talk to me about how they found a van on Craigslist or Facebook, price just too good to be true. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon. Or they buy from one of these dealers also. It's just one of those prices too good to be true. And I look up these dealers online. They've got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews, for the ratings. And these people end up buying a vehicle with a salvage title they didn't know about, flood damage, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a decade, give me a call. If you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, we'll call those 1 and 2 and 3-star companies. I'm sure they'll be happy to help you. And one thing before I forget, one thing people like about these side entries is not only is the front seats generally removable, you got extra storage space back here, so if you like to travel a lot and you have extra luggage, you can put it back here. These seats will also fold down flat, so you can put them both down flat and stack a whole bunch of stuff back here. So a little more storage room than some of the rear entry. So just one of the benefits to the side entry. And one thing I did notice, a couple small scrapes along these, you know, see a little touch-up paint's been put on there. So again, I'm just trying to shoot you straight. Now inside the van, I do have one key. This van does have the power sliding doors and the power trunk hatch. I'm going to show you those all working here. You can see the power trunk hatch there. And this this door over here is a manual door. They've made it manual because it's got the ramp and everything on it. It's used so frequently. So if you want us to try to get that converted back to electric, we can do so. It will be on your dime though. So just heads up, that's what the van offers. Got the single key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. And one thing I forgot, this shows the remote start on here. Let's see if it's actually got it equipped. Nope, they just made a key. They make these keys wrong sometimes where it shows it has remote start. It doesn't, so dang it, bummer. So no remote start on this van. But when I go to turn the van on, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. So there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, only 59,284 miles. That's Carfax showed original miles. Yeah, that volume works great. I noticed this light just started coming on. I'm going to run this by our tire store. Probably one of the monitors, tire pressure monitors, has probably gone bad. We're going to get that replaced. So full disclosure, we'll get that taken care of, okay? That will not be on, you know, we'll get that taken care of on our dime. Showing you the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. I'm showing you those mirrors and windows right now. And my point is, we go over these vans very thorough. We've checked the belts, hoses, replace fluids as necessary. I'm even showing you the back vents back here. Those both still work. So we're very thorough in everything we do, and I hope this video shows that. And one thing I wanted to show you, I bet you didn't even notice, we've ordered this piece right here, this little trim piece in here. It's coming right now, so it's going to be installed when the van gets here. So if you notice that in the pictures or the videos, no fear, but I didn't want to keep this van from advertising it to wait 2 more days till that gets here. So let me pop the hood here. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent or beat up metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks. No signs of any rust for being in a flood or being up north in the Rust Belt. And that's one of the #1 mistakes people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, they think it runs and drives good. They think it hasn't been in a bad accident. They think it's got a clean title. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. And what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition's website. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. And I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, no flood damage? Do they get down on their hands and knees, and do they even bother taking pictures, much less videos of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting? You're not getting something with a bad bones underneath it. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to going the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting, please, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage, whether it be from a flood or from an accident? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it doesn't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So to avoid that, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there, put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of these videos, show you what you're getting. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax reports, but I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want to know what I'm selling. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reviews and their reputation. We already talked about this. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to look somebody up. I know you're smart enough, you're going to spend 2 or 3 minutes before you send a stranger $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, right? And finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. That's why we make sure each one comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Oh, and 5, you can just call me. I already do all those things. So let's get the van out for a road test so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. See if I can pop it up to 70 miles an hour here. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I got up to about 68. I got to merge here. You know what? I tell you what. It's Friday. I'm going to give a little gas. We're going to live dangerously. Get it out here. Got up to 70 miles an hour. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. I do keep in mind we do have a 90-day complimentary warranty. We do sell long-term warranties that cover more components on the van and go longer term. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What their goal is, try to get you to call in so they can get a used car salesman to hook their claws into you, call you, bother you. But what they don't tell you about is the $500 administrative fee. They've got the tag fee, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? It's free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online, it jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees. Be sure to ask about that shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it a mechanical issue? I don't know. I just know transparency in any business, but especially the used car business, it's key. It's imperative. So that's exactly why I'm out here making this video for you, because I want to be 100% transparent. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. Maybe it's that super pushy used car salesman we talked about earlier. Yeah, so if you're like me and you definitely are sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. For a van this age, we are on the borderline of financing, so it's, you'd have to have pretty good credit, debt to income ratio. We can sure give it a shot on the financing aspect of this van. Yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. If you don't mind, give us a little like, push the thumbs up button on YouTube. Give us a follow if you want to be the first one to see our new inventory coming out. It'll alert you when we do a new video, so give us a follow if you choose. And if you ever do want to come in, hey, I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Sometimes I'm at auction. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. So my point is, make an appointment with me. Give me a call. We're more than happy to set some time aside with you. Make sure we get all of your questions answered and more. And then if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today and have yourself a great day. And I'm off to the tire store. We're going to get that taken care of ASAP. So let us know how we can help. Thank you.